Good morning. Today is September 17th, and here is your agenda for today. For your do now, do not write the do now in the notebook. This is actually one that you're going to do on a separate sheet of paper, and then when you're done rating yourself on, or rating the video rather, on the hunting of the elements, I want you to, make sure that you answer the question and turn that sheet in to me. Okay, just don't answer with a 1, 2, or 3. I also want you to explain your reason for that particular rating. That would be helpful information for me so that if I use this video again, I can use your feedback for future classes. Then for your work today, we've got a jam-packed session. So we're going to have several activities out again. There will be a different activity in each group. So we have 4 different periodic table related activities. None of them are available online at this time, but later in the week or by this weekend I will have online copies available. So that in the event that you're absent, you can go ahead and get the information. So for regular classes, your first activity will be the 3 regions of the periodic table, very interactive. The element squares in the periodic table, you'll get your actual first copy of the periodic table and start to decipher some things on it. Then we're going to do the periodic table basics activity, where we look at how we make the structure of the atom, we're counting the subatomic particles, and we're organizing them based on some patterns. Then we'll wrap up with periodic table activity number 4, and this will be about 4 sets of foldables that will go on the final 2 pages for this particular topic, and we'll spend some time just making sense of some of the patterns that we see within families on the periodic table. Again, electronic copies of these won't be available until the weekend or as early as Friday, but definitely over the weekend, so that if in the event that you're absent, you'll still be able to access the work. For my advanced classes, today is our first official day of filming, so if you have to do any type of filming in science this week, then you're going to want to make sure that you bring your materials. Make sure I have that information in a timely fashion so I can make sure that things are ready for you. And then those of you that are not filming today, then you will be working on some of the same similar activities. You're going to do an activity for the periodic table, and you're going to do an independent activity for balancing equations. And just a quick glance. So this is the worksheet, and at the part 1 of the worksheet, we're not going to do, if you notice the directions say, do numbers 1 through 6 and put 3 items on each page. So I do want you to show your work. Instead of having Skittles in this particular case, you're just going to make colored dots to represent the atoms. So you'll do going too fast. We're going to do 1, 2, and 3 on the first page, and then 4, 5, and 6 on the next page. So if you're absent and you're watching this video, you can just go ahead and copy the items onto your notebook. That'll be fine, as no handouts will be provided anyways for this particular topic. And then we're going to end out the class period continuing on with the I give you the answer, you give me the question activity. We should be more comfortable with it, as this is going to be the 4th day doing this type of closing. So that's it for today. Have a wonderful day.